Hello everyone, it's Creepy and Tina.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day and that you find yourself in the best of health.
Yes, and health being most important is especially important today because today is this guy's birthday. Yay!
So I'm the birthday boy. so cheers
to your birthday.
Thank you, baby. Love you too.
Virtual cheers
and
to you guys. So I figured on a day like today, what a great way for you guys to get some questions answered about Caribbean that you guys have sent in so you know who is behind all these retirement perspectives and who is the one talking to you every week.
Right.
So here we go. You ready?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Go for it.
So you don't want to tell us how old you are?
35, 40. No, that's you guys know that's not my age. But I just don't like to brag about my age because a lot of people say, man, I would never thought that was your age. So I want to keep it that way.
I think he should be proud of his birthday. Times that by 2. Okay, so if you could have any drink, because we do now have our new happy hour button on the buymeacoffee.com/Caribbean. If the viewers can buy you a drink, what drink would you want today on your birthday?
A nice Spain wine. I'm a blend drinker.
So a red blend?
And a red blend would be perfect for today.
So there you go. Because they're always asking what he's drinking, and normally when we're doing our lives, you are drinking a red blend.
Yeah, and I love my red blends. Love them.
So where exactly were you born, Caribbean, on this March day?
Well, I was born on this March day in the city of Newark, New Jersey, at Beth Israel Hospital many moons ago.
That hospital still open?
Yeah, I believe it's still open. People still being born there. It's an old hospital, but they're still being born there.
But what is one of your favorite birthday memories? What was one of your favorite things you did on your birthday? Share it with the viewers.
One of my favorite things I did on my birthday was a beautiful, nice, relaxing trip to Cancun, Mexico.
Okay.
Beautiful experience. Had our own cabana. It was just, it was so beautiful. The beach was beautiful. The water was warm. And it was all inclusive. And I loved it. Nice meals. Never got sick. Never went through any changes. It was just a beautiful time and a beautiful break from work. I'll never get that. It's good memories for us.
Somebody who shall remain nameless, ding, booked a very nice VIP experience there, right along with a rain shower. Remember that? The outside
shower.
Exposed to the air out. And we also did parasailing. So that was the first time we parasailed.
First time. I was freaked out going up in the air like that.
He was super scared.
I thought I was back in the military.
He wouldn't open his eyes for like, what was it, the first 5-10 minutes, and I was like, you're missing it. It's so beautiful. Okay. So out of all the countries you've ever been, doesn't have to be on your birthday, just all the countries you've been, what has been your favorite that you visited, and why did you love your time or whatever you did in that place or country?
Well, I'll tell you this. That place is called Germany. Germany is in Europe.
Okay.
And we had just a beautiful time there. I think it was Gate 1 travel. And a beautiful big old giant
That was
airplane.
another birthday trip that somebody else amazing booked for him.
She booked that one too. And actually, that was a retirement to me. It was birthday / retirement gift from my beautiful wife here.
Yes.
Because I didn't get the kind of send off from my job that I thought I should have gotten all them years that I put in. But that's all right. I was sitting out there in beautiful hotels, visiting beautiful cities.
Yes, 4 cities.
In Germany.
So.
Loved every minute of it.
You loved it. It was peaceful. It was tranquil. You got a lot of sleep. Did a bunch of tours.
And had a nice, beautiful.
Had a lot of nights at,
breakfast.
what do they call those beer places?
Oh, rot houses, whatever you call them.
Yeah. Didn't know what that was. If you guys have been, you know those beers are like huge.
They're huge.
So, Another thing a lot of people ask is, what is your favorite thing, the thing you absolutely love about the Dominican Republic?
Actually, that's kind of hard to answer, because there's a lot of things I love about the DR.
Yeah.
I love the culture. I love the cost of living, and I mean, I just love the DR because it's just been a beautiful place for us, and I should never forget it. Plus, it's in the Caribbean.
So you love the Caribbean.
I love the Caribbean.
So then, what is the one thing that you dislike the most about the Dominican Republic? Something you don't like?
Well, sometimes it's real humid. I'm sweating like a Russian bull. Then the mosquitoes. Okay, those got to be the two things. Other than that, I love it. It's
I
just
feel
a
like the
beautiful
humidity
place.
brings the mosquitoes too, because they're like,
Oh
ooh,
my God.
dinner time sweat. Yes.
That humidity will wear you out.
Yeah. So, next question.
Okay.
If you were to receive $1 million tomorrow, what would you do? And you can give more than one answer, but what would you do if I gifted you with $1 million tomorrow?
Well, I would invest some of it. Okay.
Smart.
In the stock market, or wherever it may be. Mm-hmm. Then, along the way, I would want to travel the whole world. When I say the whole world, I mean just city to city to city to city till I can't stand it no more.
North Pole to the South Pole?
Right. And also, the best part about that whole thing is I'll leave a nice tip for my waiters.
Nice big fat kind that end up on the news.
End up on the news.
Someone got a $1,000 or a $10,000 tip.
Sure did.
There you go. That's good.
Make their life a whole lot better.
Pay it forward.
There you go.
Good job. So, tell us, because he seems so calm and so nice and so quiet. What is the craziest thing that you've ever done in your life?
Okay, we don't advertise this too much. We don't talk about this too much on the channel. Okay, but we found ourselves in California, and I forgot how many years ago it was, Tina.
Oh, it was a birthday trip.
It was a birthday. Was it birthday? My birthday trip?
No, I believe it was a joint you and our son's birthday because they're both Pisces.
Okay.
So yes, it was you and Chris's birthday that we went on this like trip to California because we went to a bunch of cities, right? Are you talking about that?
Yeah, I'm thinking
because we went to 2 different hotels.
Yeah, but I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
Only thing I know is that as we was walking up the steps back to our hotel room, we heard all this commotion. This is wedding this way. So
Reception.
Yeah. So we heard the noises and we said, "You want to crash it?" We had a conversation. We'll go check it out.
I mean, there is a movie, Wedding Crashers, for a reason. That's the way I look at it.
That is one of the craziest things we ever did. We actually went into this wedding. Okay,
Yes.
People were shaking their hands, said, "Wow, glad you're here. Glad you made it."
To be honest, we didn't think we'd get away with it. To be clear, we walked in like kind of looking, and someone said, "Oh, hi, welcome. Sign the book." So we actually signed the wedding registry book.
We did.
She said, "This way to the video memory." They're going to record you, and you're going to do a video memory, which we made an excuse and said, "Oh, we'll do it later." Maybe 5 drinks, 6 drinks in, after drinking, going up to the bride and groom. And
congratulating them.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And the bride hugged us.
For the food.
She goes, "Oh my God, make sure you get cake." We literally went over and got cake. I was like, "Hey," she said, "Get cake."
She said, "Get cake."
So
it had me a big piece.
And then got some drinks and then danced. We danced with a bunch of people in the wedding party.
We sure did. We just danced. I mean, just having us a ball. It was like our wedding, okay?
Yeah.
We crashed this wedding. It was like our wedding.
I was like, we shouldn't be here that long. So after us being there, I think we were at least an hour. At least an hour. We heard some guys saying that they were leaving to go to the downstairs bar. Mm-hmm. And I said, let's exit when they're all exiting because it won't look like obvious. And then we walked by the video booth, and remember, I was like, let's just do the video. And you were like, what? And I was like, how? But think about it, you guys, how funny when this person is looking through all the people that attended their wedding and sees a video of us. And then finally ask each other, did you know them?
Do you know that? What part of the family they from? Because I don't remember them being...
To be clear, it was a white couple.
Yeah, white couple. And I don't remember seeing too many black people there. I think I was the only one. So I kind of stuck out like I saw them.
Yeah, that's why you got scared. That's why I was like, drink, you'll fit right in.
I said, they're going to find out who we are.
They didn't know. We did the video. We left the video. So if you're now one of our subscribers, we had a great time at your wedding reception.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
Good looking out.
We went down to the bar because we were like, let's have a nightcap. And then the guys were like, hey, you were at the wedding with us, right? And we're like, yeah. And I think it was the groomsmen or friends of the groomsmen, one groomsman with friends. And they were like, we got your drinks. And they literally paid for our nightcap, to which I was like, now we really got to get out of here.
Because they started asking some questions.
Yeah, they were asking a little too. They were trying to get to know us a little too much. So we departed, had our nightcap, said goodbye, thanked them, and went to bed. And I go, we need to check out at 10 o'clock and get up out of here
before they wake up.
Yeah. Before these people come looking through the hotel to see where are these people that crashed. But yes, I must admit, that was the most fun
and craziest thing we ever
I've been invited to weddings, and I haven't had as much fun as I did at that wedding. I did. You guys had a bomb. Hey, if you're watching, you had a bomb DJ. It was good. The cake was good. So, if somebody told you tomorrow that there's one thing that we're going to take away from you forever, what is the one thing that you could not live without, and why?
Well,
I thought it would be cell phone.
She thought it was cell phone. I told her it's my Bible. Don't take my Bible away from me. Don't take the word away from me. Because when this world comes to an end, cell phone's going to be burned up. Laptop's going to be burned up. But word of God is going to last and stand forever.
And that's deep. Good. All right. So last and final question. If you could spend the day with one or two people who have passed or who are living that you want to get to know, who would it be, and how would you spend that day?
Okay, I must say it would be my grandfather, Elder Dr. Dewey Upshaw, who passed away some years ago. And great man. I would love to spend time with him, get us a couple chairs, sit on the beach, catch up, and just talk, because he's full of wisdom, knowledge, understanding. And he was actually took the place of my father, because my father left when I was a little toddler, about 6 or 7. I ain't seen him since. I don't know if he's dead or alive. But my grandfather became my father and became also my role model. So if I had a chance to spend time with him on the beach and just talk and catch up, that would be one of the great experiences of my life. Wow.
So with that, we wrap up getting to know Caribbean E on his birthday. And God bless you with many more.
Thank you, baby.
And you're an amazing man, and you're a wonderful father and a great husband, and we all love you, as do all of you guys. So drop your little birthday thanks and wishes on the bottom. But remember, buymeacoffee.com/Caribbean is the best way to say happy birthday to Eric. So with that, we'll let you wrap this up.
So, in the meantime, between time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed.
Yes. So always remember, hit that subscribe, hit notifications, give this and all videos a thumbs up, because hitting subscribe and hitting thumbs up is the free and easy way to patron the channel, and it helps to change that YouTube algorithm so that we can keep bringing you great content. And always remember, all information is underneath the videos. If you want that one-on-one consult, or you want to say Feliz cumpleaños, happy birthday to Eric. So we will see you guys on the next video.